Okay. Is that inside out? I eat that. Guys, you know we have to find new ways to heal with COVID-19, right? So Zagga was here and he was teaching me the new heal. Not just the actual new heal, but the song new heal. Zagga, big up yourself. Hey.
Manners.
Hey.
And come heal me. Hey, better you move from near me. How bag things I go round since lately. Better you put out your foot when you are heal me. New heal when you see me new heal. Me no care who want bend up them face when you see me new heal. When you see me new heal, better put out your foot. So me I go heal you. No lion pan, no big finger, nah rub. No fist, nah thumb, no hug, nah run. New heal when you see me new heal. Me no care who want bend up them. And me say, Baba Roots, me no know about Corona. Mix up vegetable with a little ginger. Drink up me green juice, make me body stronger. You have some boy done, and a stretch out finger. If you want me finger, you better keep it. Better you put out your foot when you see me. Another bad habit where people a carry. Try cover your mouth when you cough the daddy. Sure, new heal when you see me new heal. Me no care who want bend up them face when you see me new heal. When you see me new heal, put out your foot, so me a go heal you. No lion pan, no big finger, nah rub. No fist, nah thumb, no hug, nah run. New heal when you see me new heal. You see when you see me? Heal down. So when you see me with my foot, me a heal you. Cause some things I do, me no label. Me no trust a shop, nah trust people. Cause some people a move too evil. I fi keep me body up and ready. Immune system can't ready. From all long Rasta say fin ya make day. From same day and anytime you see me new heal when you see me new heal. Me no care who want bend up them face when you see me new heal. When you see me new heal, push out your foot, so me a go heal you. No lion pan, no big finger, nah rub. No fist, nah thumb, no hug, nah run. New heal when you see me new heal. You know what go on? Until I reach my destination, we flowing like the birds, we flowing like the bees. Me say for you it might be harder than in my head. It's a vacation, flowing like the leaves on the breeze. Yes, man. Yes. What we there now? I better you move from near me. I got things I go round since lately. Better you put out your foot when you are heal me. New heal when you see me new heal. Me no care who want bend up them face when you see me new heal. When you see me new heal, put out your foot, so me a go heal you. No lion pan, no big finger, nah rub. No fist, nah thumb, no hug, nah run. New heal when you see me new heal. Nah heal down. No one sick around. Yes.
Morning, Zagga. Good morning. Good morning.
So
you have to pull down that microphone now. That's your performance microphone. You can talk in the other one.
All right.
All right. So we're gonna. Thank you, Zagga. New ear.
New ear.
We'll do that from a couple days now, no?
Well, when you see me, just nobody don't take my shoes.
Just a wagwan.
Just a, you know.
Here you put nobody don't take him shoes. Him have on a nice shoes this morning. Him IP doing keep your look at Nikes, man.
All right. Social media has seen an upsurge of challenges and TikTok videos.
Lord have mercy.
TikTok. So TikTok is, as someone asked me to explain what it is, it's like a new social media thing where you watch videos and people do challenges and, you know, when you're bored. So we're being challenged to do our own TikToks. I don't know why I was given the tissue. Clive will say it's a part of the challenge, so.
The tissue is a part of the TikTok challenge?
Yeah.
Okay, now I kind of tired
Sakina.
to see
Sakina. So watch the video first. Sakina, this is for you.
After you touch it?
My hand sanitized properly.
I don't know about that.
She sanitized properly.
Okay, all right. All right, let's watch the video. What? So me supposed to learn all of that in the 2 seconds where them show me one time? Sugar so? And then something like that.
I don't like that TikTok there.
And then, I don't know. Look here. I don't do dancing with TikTok. Come, show me again. Oh.
It's like something by time. Sakina, that's something sting her, man.
A lot?
Something sting her. Something sting her.
But do it.
No, sir. Some sting I want.
See that, Madrid? Your time, Dwayne. Dwayne, turn.
Give me some of my sing.
Sing?
Yeah. Like lip sync.
No, me don't want you to sing nothing. Come, your time.
What the tissue for?
We're gonna find out. Don't play football with the tissue.
They've been doing that online.
No,
Have
we
you seen
don't.
it?
Maybe that's what you're gonna do.
I can't play with this though.
Let's see.
A goal this
Dwayne's turn. What's Dwayne's video?
A goal this, I ain't playing football with it.
You better. What are you doing with the tissue? Okay. All right, Dwayne. You have to try.
Wait. Let me see it one more time.
You have to try it. Yeah. Do the jump part to them. Yeah. No, Dwayne, I'm not sure. Got you, Dwayne. All right.
Electrocute him.
All right, Dwayne, you that.
With a teaser, somebody else and tease him. Most tease and tease him.
I don't know why people think that them learn these difficult things. No, sir. I don't mind.
No, that was a fair enough, because they could have danced. Your girl is
Watch out.
Oh,
that's the tissue.
Come, hold this.
Oh. Oh, man, I'm going to do that.
You have to bend your back. Bend your back now.
It gonna?
Yeah.
But we can't
Flip
do
it
that.
now.
What am I supposed to... How should I do that? I forgot
Come,
practice. You do it. So we touch the tissue, I forgot sanitize my hand. Do it. No, all of them said they don't want to do it.
You're not lucky.
Do it, can't flip the tissue. Do it, flip it.
Hold on.
All right, tell you what, I'm going to practice that, and next week I'm going to come back and do it. I'm going to practice it.
There's one more TikTok.
One more? Okay. I'm going to practice that one, though.
Do you want me to waste the tissue?
Next one. We have one more. Come on, guys. Let's see. I'm not football, you know?
So I can hold it.
All right, go on through. Oh, what did... He my teacher.
Wait.
Oh, them tell people for idiot. Come, Dwayne, you got this. Do it now. Hey, you almost kind of look like you're doing it. Hey! No, Dwayne, you almost.
Clive, man.
No, you almost look
ready.
like you had it. Come again, D. Never slide it. I forgot to learn them somewhere. Oh, you do that. I eat that. That's as good as it's gonna get, dude. I can't do that.
Want some wet tissue?
No, I don't know how. I don't know how these people do these things, but big ups to them, though.
We're going for a break.
No!
Not your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own
We're going for a break.
I am plastic, call me classic.